This is the constitutional design civics chapter of the 9th standard, and first part of this that is 3.1 of this chapter reduce, that is democratic constitution in South Africa. This portion is reduced, and now directly we will have to discuss 3.2 in the part 1. Why do we need constitution? Why do we need constitution? This first part reduced, and this is based on the South African constitution. So what problem was there in South Africa, or struggle, apartheid movement, role of Nelson Mandela? In short, we are going to discuss here. So there was the discrimination in South Africa. There was discrimination on the base of race, black and white minority. Okay, so this one was the discrimination, means white people, they had lot of rights or enjoying themselves, but discrimination was there in place of the black people. And this apartheid movement that was started by the Nelson Mandela. He was the leader of black community, and he struggled for getting the right to this black minority, black people. And for this purpose, near about 28 years he faced he spent his life's 28 years in the imprisonment, and on 26 April 1994 at midnight, this country became a democratic country and paved the way for the formation of multiracial government. So this means this is about the Nelson Mandela struggle. His 28 years in spent in the life imprisonment, and after that this country in 1994, 26 April 1994 became the democratic country. Africa was making the newly born democracy in the world. That was 94, and apartheid government came to be end. Apartheid government जो था वो end हुआ, and paving the way for formation of multiracial government. So this is in short we have discussed about the how democracy came and what type of apartheid system was there in the Africa. So directly come to the second 3.2. 3.1 it is reduced in your syllabus. And why do we need a constitution? 3.2. So South African example is good way to understand why we need a constitution and what do constitution do. Means यदि constitution, why do we need constitution, or actual what benefit is there for the constitution? While studying it, we are discussing the example. It is the best example of this South Africa. The oppressor and the oppressed in this new democracy were planning to live together as equal. Means when Nelson Mandela became as a president from this black minority, at that time he also taken with him, because of their experience, without having any prejudices with this white minority, he used their experiences, and both this black and white minority, they were equal in this newly formed democratic government. So here oppressor means black community, and oppressors means white community in South Africa, and oppressed, that is black community. Both this community, they were the part of this newly democratic government for the planning to live together as equal. And that is why this is the best example that why do we need constitution if we want to discuss. It was not going to the easy for them to trust on each other, एक दूसरे पे भरोसा करना, trust करना, because conflicts were there, discrimination was there, racial discrimination, but still in newly formed government they wanted to trust on each other. Trust on each other, that was not specially trust on the white community. It was not the easy. They had their fear. They wanted to safeguard their interest. The black majority was keen to ensure that the democratic principle of the majority rule was not compromised. So here the black community was keen means vigilant, for what? To ensure that democratic principle of majority rule was not compromised. They wanted substantial social and economic rights. The white minority was keen to protect its privilege and property. White minority that was vigilant or keen, they wanted to protect their privilege, उनको अधिकार, and whatever they had property, they wanted to safeguard their property. Then after the long negotiation means discussion, समझौता, after the long discussion, both these parties agreed to compromise. Both these parties means white minority and black majority. Both these parties, they agreed to compromise. The whites agreed to the principle of majority. White ने agree किया to accept the principle of majority rule, and that of one person one vote. Before to that there was not the provision of one person one vote. Already we have seen in the previous chapter. So they also agreed to accept some basic rights for the poor and the workers. Even white minority, they accepted special rights would be there for the poor and workers. The blacks agreed the majority rule would not be absolutely, even though black people, though they were in the ruling party, but what happened? They agreed for the majority rule would not be absolute, means they wanted to consider the minority also, means especially white minority. They agreed that the majority would not take always properly of the white minority, property of the white minority. This compromise was not easy, और ये जो एक समझौता compromise, that was not easy, it was very hard. How was this compromise going to be implemented? इस प्रकार का के जो compromise थे, समझौता था, negotiation था, how it would be implemented elected, that was main problem in place of the democratic government. Even if they manage to trust each other, what was the guarantee that this trust would not be broken in future? यदि वो अभी यदि ट्रस्ट भी करते हैं, इफ दे ट्रस्ट ऑन ईच अदर, then what would be the guarantee that this trust would not be broken in future में ये broken भी हो सकता है, कोई भी गारंटी नहीं है. दिस वन वॉज द फियर with this government, newly elected democratic government in 1994. The only way to build and maintain the trust in such a situation is to be written down some rules of the games that everyone would abide by. These rules lay down how the rules are to be chosen in future. So if orally, if they consider or they agreed orally, so in future there would be the problem, because trust would not be there on each other or make conflicts arise, and whatever the agreement would be there, that can be broken. This one was the fear with them, and that is why they needed some written rules in the form of constitution, and both these communities, white and black communities, they have to be abide, उसका पालन करना, follow up करना, that was the compulsory. These rules also determine what is elected government are empowered to do and what they cannot do. Even though in this constitution they decided to write that empower or ruling government, what they could do and what they could not do, or what would be the limitation. All these were in this they made in written form, in the form of constitution. Finally, these rules decide the rights of citizen. ये जो rules, whatever they made the rules, they are going to protect these rights to the citizens. These rules will work only if the winner cannot change them very easily. Means this rule will work only. ये जो रूल बनाए हैं वो तब तक काम करेंगे जो विनर्स जो है, विनर्स मीन्स रूलर, वो चेंज नहीं करेंगे तब तक. ऑल दिस विल गो टू द स्मूथली, इट वुड बी स्मूथली. दिस इज व्हाट द साउथ अफ्रीका डिड. इस प्रकार से साउथ अफ्रीका में किया है. दे ऑल्सो agreed that no government will be able to ignore this set of basic rules is called the constitution. और इसी basic rule को क्या कहा है? constitution. rules to follow by both these communities, both these races, white minority and black majority. There would not be any conflicts. All written rules would be there in the form of constitution, just like playing any game. There are some rules and regulation. For example, cricket, there are rules and regulation, and both these player of both the teams, they have to be follow the rules and regulation, or they and trust would be there on each other. In same way, here in the constitution, they made this provision in the form of written constitution in when that country became democratic country, 94. So constitution making is not unique to South Africa. Every country has diverse group of people. The relationship may not have been as bad as that between the whites and the blacks in South Africa, but all over the world people have differences of the opinion and interests. Means यहाँ जो conflicts थे, they were much more between the white and black people, not only in South Africa but in most of the communities found in the world. Conflicts were there. So, but all over the world people have differences of this opinion and interest. Whenever democratic or not, most countries in the world need to have these basic rules, and this applies not just to government. Any association needs to have its constitution. It could be club in your area, a cooperative, society or political party. They all needs the constitution. Any society or any political parties, they require or there is need of the constitution. Actual constitution means rules which have to be followed by the people from that group, from that political, if the constitution is their political parties, rules and regulation, they have to be followed, or for the society. And about the countries. So here, thus the constitution of country is the set of written rules. What is the constitution? Constitution is the set of written rules that are accepted by all the living together in the country. और जो country में लोग हैं उन्होंने accept करना है. They can't go against the constitution. Even our rulers, they frame the rules as per the provision of constitution. So constitution is supreme law that are determine the relationship among the people living a territory, that is called the citizen, and also the relationship between the people and government. There is relationship between the people and the government. A constitution does many things. Constitution does many things. Pause. So here constitution does many things. So what in constitution, what is include or what constitution does? First, it generates the degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. Because if in particular country it is expected that variety would be there, variety in the sense of ethnicity, religion, language, culture. So all people time together, एक इसमें यदि बांध के रखना है तो there would be certain rules and regulation. If in case also in school, in class also there are some class rules are there for maintaining the law and order in class. So maintaining law and order in the country, there would be some rules and regulation in the constitution. So here coordination means there it generates what? Degree of ट्रस्ट एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, एक दूसरे पे ट्रस्ट एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है, दैट इज नेसेसरी फॉर द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पीपल टू लिव टुगेदर। एक साथ रहना है तो एक दूसरे पे ट्रस्ट एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट इट स्पेसिफाई हाउ द गवर्नमेंट विल बी कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड, गवर्नमेंट किस प्रकार का रहेगा, हु विल हैव पावर टू टेक विच डिसीजन, गवर्नमेंट किस प्रकार का रहेगा और किस प्रकार के डिसीजन ले सकेंगे। तो ऑल इट शुड बी इन द रिटन फॉर्म इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। एंड थर्ड वन, इट लेस डाउन limit on the power of government and tells us what is the right of the citizen. So third is that limitation, it lays down what limitation on the power of government. Democratic elected government, they have limited power, they have to consider the people, they have to consider people while formulating the policies, and that is why democratic government is different from the dictator or monarchies. So here third limitation, limits on the powers of government, government के powers को limited करता है, and tell us the rights of the citizen. And fourth one, it expressed the aspiration of people about creating the good society, और ये एक्सप्रेस करता है कि what would be the aspiration, what would be the expect of the people for creating the good society, सोसाइटी के वेलफेयर के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, it expressed all the countries that have constitution are not necessarily democratic, all countries that have constitution are not necessarily democratic, but all countries that are democratic will have the constitution. मीन्स सभी कंट्रीज में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डेमोक्रेटिक रहेगी ही ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन जो डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज है वहाँ डेमोक्रेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ही रहेगी। आफ्टर द वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस अगेंस्ट द ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, अमेरिका गेव देमसेल्फ, आफ्टर द वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस अगेंस्ट द ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, अमेरिकन गेव देमसेल्फ a constitution, Americans gave themselves what constitution, means America that was under the control of Great Britain, and after getting the war taken place for getting the independence, and then they formed the constitution, they gave themselves a constitution. After the revolution, the French people approved democratic constitution. In France also conflicts were there, monarchies was there, but after that they given approval for the democratic constitution after the French Revolution. Since then it has become a practice in all the democracies to have the written constitution. Okay, so this is about the 3.2, and then come to the 3.3, making the Indian constitution, making the Indian constitution. Like South Africa, India's constitution was also drawn up under the very difficult circumstances. जैसे कि साउथ अफ्रीका में जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तैयार की है वहाँ के भी जो सर्कमस्टेंसेस थे, सिचुएशन वाज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर फॉर्मिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. In same way, India had a problem or difficult circumstances was there. They were for drawing the constitution after getting the freedom. The making of constitution for the huge and diverse country like India, because India is the huge country and diverse, different ethnicity or ethnic peoples, different culture, religion, they are living together. So making a constitution and tying it was very difficult task because of the huge and diverse country. At the time, the people of India were emerging from the status of the subject to that of the citizen. Country was born through the partition on the basis of religious differences. We got freedom from the Britain, but means this one was joyful thing for us, but painful thing was what? That partition taken place on the base of religion, that is India and Pakistan, and that was very traumatic experience, painful experience for us. This was a traumatic experience for the people of India as well as Pakistan. Partition means we got freedom but with partition. At least 10 lakh people were killed on both the sides. Why it is called the traumatic experience for us? Because at least 10 lakh people, they were killed on both the side. Both the side means Pakistan as well as from the India on the border in partition related violence. And there was another problem. The British had felt it to the rulers of the princely states to decide whether they wanted to merge in India or with Pakistan or remain independent. Means another difficulty was there in place of us, that British they gave freedom, that if the particular people, if they wanted to merge in India, they could do, and if they wanted to merge in Pakistan, they also can do. But and a third option was there, if they wanted to be independent, so they can independent, they can also live independently, that is princely state. Means all these provision they kept in front of us, and this one was very difficult situation or uncertain task for us. When constitution was being written, the future of country did not look as a secure as it does today. जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तैयार की गई थी तब ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि हमारा फ्यूचर जो है जैसे आज है वैसे सिक्योर नहीं लग रहा था. द मेकर्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज़ एंजाइटी अबाउट द प्रेजेंट एंड द फ्यूचर ऑफ द कंट्री. जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर थे डॉक्टर B.R. आम्बेडकर, एंजाइटी or fear that what would be the present and what would be the future of the country. Okay, so here the path of constitution, डिस्पाइट ऑल दिस डिफ़िकल्टीज़, ये सभी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होने के बावजूद भी देयर वॉज वन ऑफ द बिग एडवांटेज फॉर द मेकर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. वन ऑफ द बिग एडवांटेज वॉज देयर प्लेस ऑफ द मेकर. अनलाइक साउथ अफ्रीका, they did not have to create the consensus. Consensus means सहमति. about what a democratic India should look, about the democratic India should look like. Much of this consensus had evolved. Much of this consensus had evolved during the freedom struggle. Our national movement was not merely a struggle against the foreign rule. It was also a struggle to rejuvenate our country and to transfer our society and politics. There were sharp differences. वहाँ sharp differences थे of the opinion within the freedom struggle about the path India should after the independence. इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद हमारा इंडिया किस प्रकार का रहेगा. On this matter there were not consensus. Different problems were there. Exist even today also. Exist in today also. So such differences even though exist today, yet some basic ideas had come to be accepted by almost everyone. These basic ideas that came are accepted by everyone. As far back as in 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted Constitution for India. In 1931, the resolution at the Karachi session, Congress Karachi session held in 1931, and at that time Motilal Nehru, he introduced a constitution resolution at the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress, dwell on how independent India's constitution. इन्होंने बताया था इन्होंने कि how would be the Indian constitution. He framed this constitution. Who? Motilal Nehru in Karachi session. Then independent of India's constitution should look like both. These documents were committed to the discussion of universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, and to protecting the rights of minority in the constitution of independent India. Thus some basic values were accepted by all the leaders much before the Constituent Assembly met to the deliberate on the constitution. मीन्स जो बेसिक वैल्यूज थे वो पहले ही एक्सेप्टेड की थी बिफोर फॉर्मिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. So familiarity with the political institutions of the colonial rule also helped develop an agreement over the institutional design. The British rule had given voting right only to the few. In British rule, universal or voting right was not there for all the citizens, but newly formed Constitution given equal right to all the citizens through the adult franchise, or those who were above 21 years. At that time voting age was 21, now it is 18. On the basis of the British had introduced very weak legislatures, elections were held in 1937 to the provincial legislature and minister all over the British India. These were not fully democratic government, means ब्रिटिश रूल में पूरा डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट नहीं था. But the experience gained by the Indian in the working of legislative institution proved to be very useful for the country in setting up its own institution and working in them. So that is why the Indian Constitution adopted many institutional details and procedures from colonial laws, like the Government of India Act 1935, means British introduced Act 1935. As per that, many provisions we have taken in our newly formed government. We have adopted many details and procedures. So year of thinking and deliberation on the framework of constitution had another benefit. Our leaders gained confidence. Our leaders gain confident to learn from other countries, but on our own terms, means constitution maker Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his leader and his other members also, but initiative taken by him. He learned the constitution of different countries. Some provisions taken from the different countries, but they are related to our countries as per the need of our countries or scenario of the countries, not fully adopted from the different countries, but we have kept this provision as per need of our society. So many of our leaders were inspired by the ideas of French Revolution. Some provisions because of French Revolution, our leaders inspired, and whatever changes taken place in that country, that they wanted to bring in our country. The practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bill of Right in the US. The socialist revolution in Russia had inspired many Indians to think on the or inspirative things for us and system based on the social economic equality. Yet they were not simply they were not simply imitating what other had done. At each step they were questioning whether these things suited our country, means as it is we haven't accepted the principles from the different countries, though they were inspirative, but we have seen whether they are applicable or not to our countries or the situation, and if they were suitable, then we have taken all these provisions. All this contributed to the making of our constitution. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here now, student. Thank you.